What's up YouTube? It's Kicksman UK here and back with another vid, and we're going to review this bad boy right here. The new Yeezy 350B2 in the carbon colorway. Let's go. Alright guys, this carbon colorway features a prime knit upper, which Adidas saying it's a special knitting process. It's a one-of-a-kind prime knit. I don't know if it's just me, but this one feels softer than the previous prime knit of the 350B2. It's just me, but yeah. This colorway is a combination of like a grayish and there's a hints of blue or like a purplish colorway in the prime knit, which is a nice touch in my opinion. And for the first time, Adidas is integrating a new lacing system for the 350B2 line, similar to the Yeezy 380 silhouette, which is the infinity lacing system. So the way to tighten this one up is just pull this tab on and you're good to go. And if you're an old school guy, if you don't like this infinity lacing system, Adidas throws in an extra lacing, a black rope laces, which is sort of your traditional lacing system. So the only way to do a lace swap is to cut this one, guys. So are you gonna waste this and cut this one? I don't know. I think I'll just stick with this one. I think it looks good anyway, and it looks neater to me, and yeah, I'll stick with this. And just like your typical 350B2, the midsole features the full-length boost, which is really comfortable, guys. Can't go wrong with these. And it's creamy yellowish midsole, similar to the Zion colorway. Sizing wise, I go to my true to size, so yeah, if you're a wide footer, you might consider go half size up, but I'm good with my true to size on these. So, what do you guys think about this colorway? Is it a cop or drop? I say it's a cop. You can't go wrong with the black colorway, guys, and this is one of the better colorway of the Yeezy 350 Beetle line, and yeah, what do you guys think? Leave down in the comment section below about this colorway. It's a carbon colorway. But when it comes to my favorite colorway on the 350 Beetle line, this is the one for me. What do you guys think? Alright guys, till next time. Peace.